This is Review Unit Lesson 8, Discount and Markup. We're dealing with prices on items, whether we're going to discount it, which means to have a reduction in price, or mark it up, which is like sales taxes, tips, things like that. Stores frequently discount or mark up items. Discounts are reductions from the original price. Okay. Markups are additions to the original price, like sales taxes, tips. The selling price is the amount the customer ends up paying. Okay, so we're going to do some prices here. If we have jeans that sell for $58 and we're going to get 15% off, I need to find 15% of 58 and subtract it from it, right? So here's where we start, is with $58. Now let's find 15% of it. That means we multiply this by 15%. 15% as a decimal, you move it two places, so it's 0.15. 58 times 0.15, let's see what we get. 58 times 0.15. That gives me $8.70. So my discount is $8.70. My selling price, I start with $58 and I subtract $8.70 from that. 58 minus $8.70 gives me $49.30. That's what I would pay for the jeans. Okay. What if you've got a bike? It's $295.49 and you're going to take 60% off. I need to find 60% of $295.49. So $295.49, and I want 60% of that. That's 0.60. Okay, because 60%, you got 60%, you move it two places. Now, multiply by 295.49 times 60%, 0.6. It's going to actually give you 177.294. And we need this to two places, because when you're talking about money, it's two places. So we need it to that place. Look here, 4 is 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, raise the score. 177.29 is your discount. So I need to take my starting price, $295.49, and subtract from it 177.29. And I've got $118.20. Okay. Let's try 5. This is a markup. Okay, so let's see how markup would work. If a wedding dress costs $625, there's a 3% markup. I need to find 3% of $625. Let's take the $625 and multiply that by our 3%. 3% as a decimal would be, you move it two places, so I've got to put a 0 in front of this, right? 0.03. 625 times 0.03 would give you $18.75. Okay, so if the dress cost $625, you would be adding $18.75 to that, and that would give you a selling price of $643.75. Okay, that shows us how to do some with sales price and how to do some with markups. And sales tax is a percentage added to the selling price. A tip is a percentage added to the total bill. Let's do a couple of these. Find the final price. So let's do 11. or let's find the final price of an $849.99 laptop with 6% sales tax. So we need 6% of $849.99, right? We would multiply that by 6%. Now 6%, you move it 2 places when you're talking percent. That's 0.06. 849.99 times 0.06 would give me, here's the interesting thing, it gives me 50.9994, but I only need 2 decimal places. So let's look right there. 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, raise the score. So I need to raise this 9 up to 10. To do that, it's going to carry a 1. This becomes 10. I'm now at $51. Okay. So my sales tax is $51. I need to add that to my price of my computer, $849.99, plus the $50. And I've got $849.99 plus 50 gives me $899.99. That's the final sale price for the laptop. Now, here we're going to take a discount and then we're going to add sales tax to it. I've got a $105 watch is selling for 30% off. So let's find the total price of the watch first. 105. We multiply that by its discount, 30% off. 105 times 0.3. I've got $31.50. Okay. So we need to take the $105 watch and subtract $31.50. 105 minus 31.50. And I've got $73.50. That's what we've got after the discount. Okay? After discount. Okay, so now let's find the watch's price after we add the sales tax, which is 8%. Now I need to take the $73.50 and I need to find 8% of that. 8% is 0.08. That is $5.88. So I'm going to add the sales tax to this $73.50. $73.50 plus $5.88. And that gives me $79.38. That's my final price, $79.38. Okay, we're going to stop right here because I think we've seen enough of that. And you can go check your homework and make sure you know what you're doing.